Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, you guessed it, we're in Plasticity, and today we're going to be modeling a bearing, right? A ball bearing. Now we're going to start by creating the balls, right? So we're going to take a sphere. Let's drag that out to about there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to jump to our top view, and let's hit G, and we're going to move that. Not too far, we don't want it to be too big, maybe something like that, right? Okay, cool. Now next what we're going to do is click on radial array. We're going to click on the center right here, and we're going to increase the number. Let's try 12. 13 might not be possible. It actually is. I assume 14 will not work. It's tight, but it seems that it's working, right? So let me change the shader here for a second so I can see it a bit better. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right, cool. So now we have that. We're gonna go and flip this over. All right, to this view right here, and that seems to be right by me. And then we're going to go to this view and we're going to work around this. So we're going to grab a straight line. We're going to start, I would say about here. And actually, because I want to make 100% sure that I'm symmetrical, I'm just going to move halfway down. Then I'm going to do Alt X. Actually, I'm not quite done yet. Let's go to here. I can add a little detail to it, why not? All right. We're going to select them both. We're going to hit J to combine them. And then Alt X to mirror that downwards. Like so. That looks to be good. Shift select them both, hit J once again. So now we have one profile, if you will. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and make the next section. Now I already know that I can do 14 of these. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create some space so I can see what I'm doing. And we'll leave that here, and then we'll redo that in a second. All right. Okay, now what I think I'll do is I'll grab this guy and I'll hit Alt X once again. Flip it over to this side. Then I'm going to hit G. We're going to move that in here until we got something looking like this. All right. Yeah, looks good to me. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look from the top. There we go. Still got two of these going on, which is fine, why not? But as we're doing this from scratch, we're going to select one of them. We're going to go to radial array. We're going to click right here. We're going to make sure that we're on 14, and we are, and that's all good. Okay. With this, we're going to go and hit F to find. We're going to go to revolve, and we're going to revolve around this point right here. That looks good. A bit finicky, but it worked. Click on OK. Then we're going to do this. We're going to hit F again. We're going to go to revolve once again. There you go. Click on OK. And from here, what we can do is go to edge mode. Let's take these top two, this one on the outside, that one on the outside, that one and that one. Let's chamfer these. And then what we'll do is we'll take the one on the inside as well. So we'll do one here. Actually, I already had that one, so that's fine. All right, and then we'll get something looking like this. And that's one way to create a ball bearing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.